Hey guys, welcome back. It is June 24th, and do you guys remember when in all of those live streams and all of those videos when people would ask me, hey Ken, when are you going to bring home another project? And I kept saying, well, I'm not bringing anything home until I can get enough money to buy a Spoker D. And so I bet you're asking yourself, what is that? Well, it's another 1928 John Deere D. I came across an opportunity. I know I said I wasn't going to pick up any more tractors until I could save up to get one of my dream tractors, which was a Spoker D John Deere, and they were made from 1923 to 1925. But the opportunity came, and here we are. Is this a Spoker D? No, it's not. It is actually the same year as the D that I sold to Barrett. If you guys remember back probably about a year ago or so, when he finished that tractor up on the restoration, I was posting videos that he was kind enough to send to me of updates on the tractor, and he did a fantastic job on it. Mosquitoes are out. But this is actually a little bit earlier in the year of earlier in the production run. It's the same model year, but it's an earlier serial number, so kind of cool. Did go back in time a little bit, you know, even if it was just a matter of a couple months in production, but still kind of cool. So we'll do a quick walk around of it. It's in rough shape. It is in rough shape. It's a carcass to start with. It did come with steel already, so that's good. I don't have to change those out. This rear fender has obviously seen better days, but you know, it's there. So let's see, what things have I noticed? It is missing the magneto, which won't be a problem. We'll get something set up for it. And it's missing the carburetor. So if anybody has a DLTX3 carburetor that they don't need, feel free to give me a shout. I don't need anything that is working. I just need something that's rebuildable. I just need a good core. So carburetor, magneto. I do need a fuel tank. I'll be putting a new radiator core in it because it's got a large section here that's damaged and I'm sure it leaks. So we'll be doing that. The exhaust elbow is broken and the manifold is cracked, so we'll probably be looking for a manifold. Let's see, what else? It's missing the linkage that goes from the governor to the carburetor. It's also missing all of the hand levers for the timing, advance, and retard, and the throttle lever. I want to say it's missing the bracket as well for that. So we're going to need the bracket, the throttle lever, and advance retard lever. What else? The pistons are out of it. Pistons and rods are out of it. It does roll a little bit, but something is locked up inside here, so we're gonna have to figure that out. Not sure what it is or what could be damaged in there, but we'll figure that out when we get to it. I think probably some of the more catastrophic damage that I've found is this hub on this wheel is significantly cracked. It's cracked here, it's cracked around, it's cracked on this side, and then the axle housing has been repaired. You can see that really large weld that goes around the housing there. So we'll probably be looking for a left side axle housing and at least one wheel. Ultimately, I'd like to get a set of wheel extensions for this and put those on, but this is a project that probably won't see a wrench until late this year or next year, but I wanted to at least get it here because it's something to start with. And I'm not sure what this lever is off of. Barrett had mentioned that maybe it is off of a Rumley oil pull or something like that. So that's kind of neat. What else? I don't really know. I don't think this drawbar is original. The swing, or the hoop, I should say, is bent. And it's not terrible, but it is bent. So the seat spring is bent down. I don't think it's something that I want to heat up to straighten because that'll weaken the spring steel that this is made out of. But the serial number is right underneath here, 58664. So it's earlier than the first 28D that I had. Oh, it's also missing the handle for the wheel. The water injection lever, that's frozen and stuck in the casing there. It's got a broken bolt here. So we'll have to get that out. Maybe weld a nut on it and see if we can get that out. That's really, clutch seems to be stuck. But like I said, it's a carcass to start with. It's something that's probably going to take quite a bit of time to, that's kind of weird. Oh, just the way the hood is bubbled out in this area is kind of weird, but anyways, it's a carcass to start with. It's going to take time, and I don't plan on getting it into the shop anytime soon, but at least we've got another one to start with. So there it is, 1928 John Deere D. Saved again, saved another one. That's going to do it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick sneak peek on something I've rewarded myself with for how much I've been working lately. And I guess right place, right time, and had a little extra pocket change, so there we go. And if you're wondering about that John Deere AR, that's Tony's. You remember little Tony from a bunch of the videos, plus Tony's got the GP that's in my shop right now. So it's gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and take care. We'll see you in the next one.